Hello everyone, my name is Samson Adeniyi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to document your data analysis report on GitHub. So let's get right into it. I just created this dashboard with Power BI and I'll be documenting it on GitHub. So I'll show you step by step on how to do that. First thing is to go to github.com, sign up for an account, and as soon as you sign up, you log in and you'll be brought to an interface similar to this. And the next thing to do now is to create a repository. Either you create it by clicking on this green button here, or you click on this plus icon here and you see new repository. So I'll be clicking on new repository. I will type in my repository name. Let me just say data analysis portfolio. All right. Then you scroll down, add the README file. Okay. Then you click on create repository. Now it has been created. So under here, you need to come down to the README file here and edit it. What you're going to have in this area are things about you. Like you need to introduce yourself first to anybody that is visiting your portfolio for the first time. So you need to click on this icon here, edit file. Whatever you type in here will show up as your intro. Is that okay? So I'll be pasting a few things here now about myself, just to introduce myself to whoever is visiting my portfolio. All right, I've added a few things here, like my name. I'm introducing myself to people. So, hi, my name is Samson Adeniyi. And this hash that you're seeing here is added to make this appear bolder and bigger. When I save this now, everything I am adding hash to will make it appear bigger and bolder. So the more hash I put in front of it, the smaller it gets. If it's just one hash, it's going to be very large, and the more hash I put, the smaller it will get. So over here, I said, "Hi, my name is Samson Adeniyi." You might be wondering how I got this icon put here or this emoji. So let's say I want to add it here again. On your keyboard, press Windows full stop. Hold down the Windows key and full stop. Once you do that, this pops up. A list of emojis pops up. So every emoji that you might have on your phone is also available here. So whatever emoji I want to pick, I'll be able to see them here. So I can click on any emoji. For instance, if I click on, let me just say, I'm clicking on this. Once I click on this, it pops up here. Is that okay? So each and every one of these is an emoji, and you get them by pressing the Windows button and the full stop at the same time. So it pops up, and you'll be able to select any emoji you want. So I gave them my name and a little about myself. So then also the skills and tools that I use for my analysis each time I want to perform analysis. So I listed them out here, and also how they can connect with me is also here. My email is dropped. Is that okay? So you can also use this format to create your intro also. And as soon as you're done with that, you can click on commit changes over here. Click on commit changes, then click on commit changes once again. And there you have it. As you can see, hi, I am Samson Adeniyi. About me, can you see the tools? Connect with me. Is that okay? So this is the first thing that you're going to see when they get to my portfolio. Okay, so when you're done with that, so let's go all the way back. What I would like to do next is to import everything I've done, or a few of the things that I've done here into GitHub. And I've been able to work with Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Python. So what I'm going to be doing now is to create a folder for different tools that I can use. So if I use Excel for a particular report, I want it to be under the Excel folder. If I use Power BI for a particular work, I want it to be under the Power BI folder. So how do I create a folder here? All I need to do is to come over here, add file, click on add file. I'm not uploading file yet. Click on create new file. So it brings me here. So I'm going to be creating Power BI. Now, to make this appear as a folder, not just a file, you put the forward slash in front of it. Once you have the forward slash in front of it, it becomes a folder. Is that okay? And you need to put in a placeholder there. You need to just put a random file there for now. Is that okay? So I'll just let's say new.txt. I'm adding a text file. This will just act as a placeholder because I cannot leave the folder empty. So that's why I'm putting this there. It's just going to be a placeholder. I will delete it when I want to put the actual things in it. Then I will click on commit changes again. So that folder has been created. So let's go all the way back again and see it. All right, this is my portfolio, and we have the Power BI folder. Also, the intro is still down here. So I can click on the Power BI folder and it opens up and I have just one file in it, new.txt, just a random text file. So now I want to import things I've done on Power BI here. Is that okay? And I would even suggest for every project that you do in Power BI, I think it would be best to create a folder again for it. Is that okay? So now I worked on this, an hospital report. Is that okay? So I will create a folder also there for my hospital report. So let me go back there. I want to add another file. Click on add file, then new file again. Now here I'll just say hospital reports, then the forward slash again. Also, you need to have a placeholder. Each time you create um, a folder, you need to have a placeholder in it. So I'm just adding random text file into it, which I will delete when the actual file comes. Commit changes, commit changes. So as you can see, that has been created. So over here, you can see Power BI. Once you click on Power BI, you have another folder inside of it called Hospital Report. So now let me import everything that I've done on my hospital dataset, which will include the dataset itself, also the Power BI file itself. Is that okay? So I'll be putting in all of that now. I'm going to go to add file. Now I want to upload files. So I have everything already saved in a folder. I have here the screenshot of the dashboard, the Excel file for the project, and the Power BI file. So select everything, select all, and then I'll just drag them all here. Okay, the three of them. Now there's a limit to the size that you can import. I don't think you can import anything that is above 25 megabytes. Is that okay? But everything I have here is in kilobytes. It's not even up to 2 megabytes at all. So then scroll down, click on commit changes. After clicking on commit changes, now it brought me back here. Now to see what I've done, Go into the Power BI folder. Okay. Now go into the hospital report and you will find everything that you've uploaded in here. So you have your dashboard, the CSV file, and the Power BI file itself. If you click on your dashboard, um, you'll be able to see the image of the dashboard. Is that okay? But you will not be able to open your Power BI file here. Is that okay? Because GitHub doesn't have the capability to be able to open a Power BI file. So whoever wants to view your actual Power BI file, we have to download it onto their computer system first, then use their Power BI to open it. But they'll be able to view the image on it. Is that okay? The screenshot here. And also if they want to do something similar to that also, your Excel file is available for them. So they can just click on it and it will be downloaded. So one more thing I want to add here is I want to add a README file here also. Is that okay? That will explain without them having to download my file. I want to write a report that will explain everything I've done in my project. Is that okay? Click on add file, then create new file. So over here, the name of a file should be readme.md. Is that okay? So it's going to be similar to this here. So readme.md, but it's for your hospital report. Then you click on okay, don't click on it yet. So your README file, what should it contain? It should contain information about your dashboard. Is that okay? So I'll be copying and pasting my report here on my dashboard. Is that okay? Okay. So similar to the intro of the whole repository, I'm doing something similar to that here now. So I have a title for my report: Hospital Emergency Room Visit Analysis, an overview of everything. So explain what the project is all about, the objective of a project, where you get your data set from. So everything about your data set should be written here. Is that okay? And also your key findings should be listed out here. So now people will not have to actually see your dashboard before they can understand what you have done. They can just um read your report and understand things that you have done. Is that okay? So your insights, everything should be here. Let me zoom it out a little bit. So everything should be here. Now, as soon as you're done with that, just click on commit changes, then commit changes. All right. So down here, you can see this is a README file. So this is like a report, or it is a report of everything that you have in your dashboard. It is a report of everything that you have in your dashboard. So once they get here, um, without having to see your actual Power BI file, they can understand things that you've been able to do. So let's go all the way back. I can share a link um, to my repository now to people to be able to visit and see the things I've been able to do. I will just go up here and copy. So just copy this and send it to whoever you want to send it to. So once they click on the link, it brings them down here directly. Is that okay? So once it brings them here, they'll be able to see your README file, which is info about you, an intro about you. Then if, if they want to see your Power BI project, they can just click on Power BI. It opens the Power BI folder. Now in my Power BI folder, I've created an hospital report. So I can click on hospital report. That opens too, and everything concerning the hospital report is also here. Is that okay? So you can do the same thing also to every other thing, every other project that you work on. Is that okay? I'll be removing the placeholder that I put initially. This new.txt, it's empty, so I don't need it. You can just easily click on it. Once it opens, click on the three dots over here. Then scroll down, you see delete file. Click on delete file, commit changes once again. And that file gets deleted. I think we added one also to the Power BI folder. So I'll go there, click on new file.txt, click on the three dots here, scroll down, click on delete file, commit changes, commit changes. Let me go all the way back now. All right, and that is it on how to document your work on GitHub. And this also serves as a portfolio. And a portfolio is a place where you can showcase your work, things that you have done. And also, as a data analyst, you need to have a portfolio. Is that okay? So, in case anybody wants to see what you have done, in case an employer wants to see, okay, let's see what you have done, you can easily send this link to them. Then they'll come over here and see everything that you have done. Is that okay? So I just did an example with just one report. So you can create more reports either on Power BI, on Excel, on Tableau, SQL, and document them all here. Is that okay? So I believe you've been able to learn a thing or two. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.